everyone, welcome to my channel once again. If you are a returning subscriber, you are warmly welcome. If today is your first time stopping here, but don't make it your last by subscribing to my channel. Today we are making abobi, tadi and workple, a very delicious delicacy. We need some abobi, that's some dry anchovies. I'll be using some fried fish, tomatoes, my pepper, ginger and onion, and my ewa, that's my corn flour. I'll start by taking off the belly of the abobi, that's the anchovies. The belly has sand, so I'll take it off. You can leave the head off, but I decided to take the head off as well. Make sure you remove the belly, else you won't be able to eat your abobi or anchovies because it contains sand. After that, I'll pan roast my Keta schoolboys. Yeah, you roast it till it's dry. I'm coming to grind my pepper. Abobi tadi means abobi. Abobi, that's anchovies. The tadi is the sauce. So I'll start by making my sauce. My pepper. I'll add my onion to it. Add as much as you want. I'm checking on my abobi as well. Add my ginger. Add some salt to taste. Sorry guys, this place is shaky because of the grinding. I'm sorry for that. I'm de-seeding my own tomatoes. Then I'll grind everything till it's all smooth and grinded well. Check if my salt is okay. Keta schoolboys is almost done. I'll add in a bowl with some water. I'll pour in my anchovies. We are washing it. Add some salt. Using salt to wash the anchovies. We are seasoning it with some salt. Yeah. Then I'll add it to my sauce. I'm pan roasting my fried fish too. Remember, if it were to be bigger, I would have roasted directly on the stove. But because it's small, I'm pan roasting it. Chopping some onion. Just add water and add some salt to it. The salt, if you use salt to wash onion, it takes that sharpness out of it. After eating it, you see that smell, no? The salt takes that sharpness out of it. Add my fried fish to my sauce too. Just add my onion. Then voila, my abobi tadi is ready. Now let's start making our workple. Add in some water to my pot, add salt, cover it and allow it to boil. I have a full video or a detailed video of making this a workple on the channel, so you can check it out. Mix in some flour. The water is boiling. Just pour my flour mixture to make porridge. Our clay making has begun. Yeah. Adding some drop of water so that I can be able to pour my akple freely. Voila! Food is ready. Our abobi tadi and workple is ready. Guys, I'll see you in another video. Until then, it's a bye.